Local news for Friday the 21st of September. Wednesday, Wellington Road Policing Group ran an operation in Wairarapa targeting the wearing of seatbelts. In an hour and a half on High Street Solway, 18 drivers were stopped for failing to wear their seatbelt. Senior Sergeant Simon DeWitt says almost a third of people who die on our roads are unrestrained vehicle occupants, and these deaths are preventable. So our staff make no apologies on ensuring people wear their seatbelts. The unveiling of Featherston Camp's sculpture will take place on the 10th of November. The unique piece of public art pays tribute to the Featherston military camp and those who passed through it, worked there, and of course the important part that Featherston itself played in supporting the camp. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush will head to Levin tomorrow to take on Horowhenua Kapiti. Both sides sitting on 12 points have won 2 games. And Hockey Wairarapa is hosting an under-13 mini tournament beginning tomorrow at 9:30 with the Wairarapa Hatch and Collier teams taking on Wellington.